How do you make money on TikTok? This is one of the most common questions that I get all of the time. Robbie, how do you make money on TikTok? And on one hand, I understand the question. On the other hand, I'm like, man, this is one of the weirdest questions I ever have heard. Because you can easily answer that question if you ask yourself one thing. Number one, where does money come from? I mean, when you get the money, where does it come from? Sure, you can say it comes from work. Sure, you can say that it comes from the government printing it. But behind all that, by the time you get it, you only get it from one place. You get it from other people. Okay, so now that we understand that money itself comes from other people, okay, number two, you can ask yourself, where are people? Well, people are on TikTok. They're also on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, okay? So understanding that money comes from only one place, it comes from other people, and understanding that people are on TikTok. Number three, you ask yourself, why would people on TikTok give me money? And that brings you to the fourth one, because you have something that they want or need. So TikTok is a great platform that you can utilize to make money if you have a product or a service that people want or need. Sure, there are a lot of people that will make money off of TikTok because TikTok is paying them. You know, for instance, you might get paid for the amount of views that you get on a video if you are monetized through the creator fund. But I always say go beyond that. Okay. There's 6 different ways you need to monetize your TikTok audience, but you need to understand that you yourself have to have something of value to other people. Because I know a lot of people that's got a lot of followers on TikTok, but they are not making a lot of money. Why is that? Because first of all, they haven't thought about how they want to use TikTok to monetize. Number two, they're afraid of what other people have to say about them. For instance, there's a lot of people that make money off of TikTok through selling courses. And there's a lot of people that demonize courses. And because a lot of people demonize courses, a lot of people are afraid to make a course. Screw those people, because those are the same people that criticize someone that's selling a course is the same type of individual that's willing to get into tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of debt for traditional education, and they can't recoup that money at all. Meanwhile, they're criticizing somebody for making a $40 or $50 or $500 course. Courses is a great way to make money on TikTok, but there's other ways. If you are an attorney and you want to get the word out about your services, get on TikTok and tell people about not only what you do, but who you are and how you can help them. Give them insights on different strategies that they can use. There's one attorney right now that does a great job at that. I think his name is Kev. He's always saying, and always remember, Kev's got your back or got you covered. This guy's giving tips out every single day on TikTok. And because of that, his personal brand as well as his law firm is growing. Because why? Money comes from only one place. It comes from other people, and other people are on TikTok. I don't know what number I'm on right now, but you gotta look at TikTok in a certain way. A lot of people still see TikTok as a platform that you dance on and go viral for doing trends and all of this stuff. Not me. I look at it as, my name is Robbie Cornelius. I have a certain level of knowledge and skill set and experience related to certain subjects. And TikTok is a vehicle that allows me to educate people on this subject that I'm already knowledgeable about. And because I do that on a continuous basis, more people understand who Robbie Cornelius is, what Robbie Cornelius does. And the more people understand who I am and what I do and how I can help them, the more people reach out to me for different things. This is how you can grow your personal brand in an organic way. I'm not using trending sounds. I'm not dancing. I'm not stitching anybody's content. My videos aren't clipping all over the place. I don't have any captions on my video like Alex Hermosi. All I'm doing is being myself, talking about things that I'm freaking passionate about every single day. Okay. That translates into views. That translates into likes and dislikes, comments, no comments, saves, clicking on links, going to the profile, clicking on links, buying things. It translates to all of that because in this new digital world, eyeballs can be transformed into currency. But in order to transform eyeballs into currency, you have to be consciously current and consciously intentional about the content that you're putting out there on platforms like TikTok. And I'm going deeper on this. This is just the tip of the iceberg. In my mastermind that's happening at my office in Alpharetta, Georgia on March 16th, I'm going deeper on this, okay? How you can strategically utilize TikTok to grow your personal brand and attract customers to your business. Doesn't matter if you're a newbie. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned vet. Okay. But a lot of you guys are still in Facebook jail. You continue to post to the same Facebook people over and over again. And you wonder why nobody knows about you outside of Facebook. Go to my profile, hit that link, get yourself a ticket, get in the room with me. Only 9 tickets left. And I'll show you how to monetize TikTok. That's that simple.